Thank you for calling me.
I know, but I gotta get up out of here, you know?
So, as you know, we are comping the e21. Now, put the first video out, everybody went crazy. Thank you for the huge response. I kind of thought it'd be popular because the car was amazing. And the last comps were really popular, so just glad to be starting it back up again. Loads of you already asking where the merch is coming. Over the next couple of weeks, we're gonna get this car ready. Merch is getting ready as well, which I'll be heading up a little bit later. To see the first printing of the first t-shirts of the new merch. Obviously, we couldn't leave this thing standard, could we? So I've been on the lookout for some wheels, found a set. What we're gonna do today is trial fit them and see how aggressive they are and how much work we're gonna have to do to make them fit. So let's try them on. What we have here is prepared earlier. I said a 16x9 TH line fit, and they're real. Fuck you, Hugh. They're real. And I had them off someone that I kind of know. I didn't want to be putting anything that's fake on it, and I think these will suit like perfect. So let's hope, fingers crossed, they actually go on and they don't need a huge amount of work. Let's try this. Gloves. I need gloves. I very rarely get my hands dirty. Greg's busy doing other shit. And as you can see, we would usually use a wrap, but we're pretty full at the moment. What do you think, Jack? Do you reckon they're gonna fit?
100%.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Let's go.
I don't know, man, they're gonna be tight, they're 9s. I'm not concerned about the rears. I think the rears will go on. The fronts,
They nod to my beats. I tell my fans who I am.
Back in the day when you used to work in a garage, you'd have to do this without any air guns. Luckily, we have a compressor and an air gun. So, what do we got here? Man, I think it's going to be tight. It's going to be tight, man. Remember, I know the tire's on backwards. This is just a test fit, right? We're just going to see if these will work. Oh, fucking oh my god. Oh, we're going to have to edit the shit out of this, aren't we? So tight. What do you think? Should we look? Ooh. I reckon. With a bit of camber, we'll get it going. But you look ridiculous, right?
Now bring it back now. Let's go to sleep, Perm.
Tight, man.
They are tight. It'll be proper tucked if load.
Sorry?
For some lows on that, it'll be proper tucked.
What we're going to do, we always use BCs on all my cars. So if you look behind us, 28 BCs, 34 BCs, 28 BCs. That's the old comp car. More on that later. 30 on BCs. BCs are just great coilovers. We are a BC dealer, so obviously that's what we'll use. You'll be able to adjust like camber. They're so comfortable for like road going cars. It's great. They're great. So we tried the front ones on. That one was worrying me the most. I reckon the rears will go on pretty easy. Let's try it. Hey. Oh, Jesus Christ.
How's she looking?
Oh, great. Oh, perfect. Obviously, as you can tell, That's gonna have plenty of space. As I knew that the rears would kind of be okay with this. 9s on a 21 is not really hard work. More concerned about the front. Obviously going for a square setup, it'll look really, really fat. We're gonna have to drop it a load though. So, next thing in, next week, is a set of BC coilover super lows with a custom spring rate. Let's see what she looks like then. We're gonna head up now to the printers, the t-shirt, see the new merch, show you the new colors. Let's go and have a look at that.